Flood watch in effect from Wednesday evening through Sunday morning. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio, including the following counties: in north central Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Huron, Knox, Lorain, Marion, Morrow, and Richland. In northeast Ohio: Cuyahoga, Holmes, Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne. In northwest Ohio: Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandotte. When? From Wednesday evening through Sunday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Extensive street flooding and flooding of creeks and rivers are possible. Additional details: several systems will bring multiple rounds of moderate to heavy rain across the region, beginning Wednesday evening and ending on Sunday. Rainfall totals could range between 3 and 5 inches by Sunday. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.